Did the tooth fairy come for you? Did the tooth fairy come to you? You were just harsh.
Oh,
Thank you.
hey, that was mine.
Too bad. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. I'm gonna go to sleep.
He's even handsomer than me. Oh, great. I'm 74 years old. Excuse me, who are you? Stop! Stop! That's my daughter's. My daughter's. It's hers.
Hey.
Hers. Honey, do you want another bite?
Thank you. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Magic powers. Yay, I use my magical powers. I use my magical powers. What's the magic word?
Please.
Sentence. Sentence.
Sentence?
Yes. What do you say?
Please, and can I please have it?
Yes. First you have to pay me.
What? Girlfriend? I paid you. Here.
Oh,
Wow.
thanks. This is already my watch, though.
So you lost it. Mine. Yeah, I fell on my face. Isn't this part 5? Grandpa, Grandma, Netflix and chill. What?
I got a Rolex, y'all.
Did you seriously fall asleep on the floor? You're so dumb. Ew! You're supposed to kiss Grandma, not me. Come here. Okay?
Hey. Do, 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 do.
I need privacy.
Do, do.
I need privacy. 5 minutes later. I hate you. I don't care. You're not even a paper snapper. Fine. 5 minutes later. Ding dong. What do you want? Whoopsies. I need to see Pepper. Pepper? Yes. Pepper. Yeah. Come here. Hi. Hey, sis. Sis, we need to tell you something. I have a boyfriend. You do? What does he look like?
He looks ugly. That's who.
Who's that? Pepper Snapper.
You ain't no Pepper Snapper.
Oh, he is? Yeah. Go get him. Okay. Bring him to my house. I will. Pepper Snapper. I'm not handsome. I'm beautiful. That's what Pepper Snapper means. You're Pepper Snapper too. Thank you.
Billy Rose.
Who let the dogs out? Woof, 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 woof. Ding dong. Yeah. This is my boyfriend. He's cute.
Ding dong. The witch is dead. The witch is dead.
Get it. Honey, I had enough, please. But I'll sleep with you tonight. How's that?
Yay! Yeet.
Come in bed with me, honey. Okay. Get under the blankets. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh.